Welcome back,
Welcome back, Wonder Friends, to Wonderville Studios. Today we're going to have a monster draw-off competition.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
What do you like to draw?
Stuff.
Stuff, monsters and stuff.
Yeah.
Monster stuff.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. So get your markers and your paper. At the end, we're gonna ask you to vote on who wins.
Yeah.
This guy.
What are you pointing at?
This guy. I'm gonna win. So get your markers and paper. We're gonna have a little bit of fun having this monster competition.
Yeah.
All right, Logan, you ready for this monster draw-off competition?
Yeah.
All right on. So, guys, I hope you got your markers and your paper. We got ours all set and ready to roll here. So I'm going to do mine vertical. Logan is going to do his horizontal. And how we're going to do this
is drawing on paper.
Drawing on paper, very, very clever. What we're going to do is I'm going to draw my version, and Logan over here is going to draw his version. We're just going to have fun with it. This is one of those ones where if you just get some paper and you want to draw along with us and totally shoot us a picture of your paper, like post it on Instagram or on Facebook or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that way we can see what everybody comes up with.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool. All right, so yeah, we're just going to talk through our drawing a little bit. So you guys can draw along with me if you want to copy mine. I'm going to go a little slower. Logan's going to go with his, and let's see what happens, all right?
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. So I like to draw monsters. I just like to start with some sort of like just shape, just to get the party started. And as you know, Logan, when I draw monsters, I like to keep it kind of simple so they're easy to copy. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just are you into the game right now? You're not able to talk?
I don't know.
This is very unusual that you don't have a million words to say. He's focused, ladies and gentlemen. He is in it to win it.
I'm in it to hopefully win it.
The part he doesn't know is Dad's gonna win.
Yes.
Totally. So when you guys are drawing a lot of your characters, you can start with like these shapes like this, and when you get to a point where your character is built, that's when you can kind of go in and add all the details to make your character unique. Like when you get to this part, you can go, well, what kind of arms would this character have? What kind of legs would this character have? Are there things about this character that I can add to it to make it a little bit more fun or funny or serious or scary or whatever it is that you're trying to go for with your monster? What are you laughing about?
I don't know.
And like a little trick that you can do in cartoons is if you have the inside of the mouth, right? You're trying to show the inside of the mouth in your cartoon. You can do like I did here. I can draw a line in here, right? And color that in. And when you do that, it looks like now that there's an inside of this mouth and that tongue is coming out of its mouth. What do you think, Logan?
What?
Does it look like that?
Yeah.
Do you know why it does that?
Because you're good at drawing.
Well, not that, but like because this thing called contrast, right? A light object comes forward, a dark object goes back, so it makes it look like there's something happening there. Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna draw another monster because I finished my first one.
You're done with yours already?
Finished my first one.
Oh, see, I'm slow then, so. And guys, if you're wanting to maybe draw like Logan's monster or draw my monster, you could always, if you got stuff to do, pause the video, come back to it. You can rewind it if we're going too fast. That way you can do your version of these monsters that we're doing. Right?
Yeah. Mine's a pirate.
What? Dude! What?
Not really.
Oh.
I pranked you.
You see what happens there, guys? That would be what I would call cheating. Trying to use what I'm doing to your advantage.
Well, maybe you should not.
Boop, boop.
I don't know.
This guy has like a little bit of sunshine on his belly.
My guy is the sun. you look at him for so long, he's so cool that he's gonna explode you.
Look at my dude's got like a little peg leg. And I'm going to put a tail on his. How close are you to being done?
I don't know.
You don't know? So like on these things like this, guys, what I can do when I get to this point where the character kind of looks like it's finished, I start thinking about, are there little details that I want to put into it, right? So like, you know, like Logan's doing right now, like he's got his first character, but you know, he's adding this secondary character to the whole thing. And are you going to have them interacting with each other? You're going to have them,
Yeah.
huh?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm gonna do whatever I think.
Whatever you think.
Yeah. I think this guy should have a cool looking mustache.
Yeah, all right, right on. I'm going to say that this guy, he's got a bruise on his face. He's got like a little cut on his. Because he probably like, I'm going to say this guy's like, this guy's like an extreme, what's the thing when you're a pirate? What do you got to do? You got to walk the plank. This guy's like an extreme plank walker. Like, you know what I mean? Like how there's extreme sports.
Yeah.
This guy likes to go travel to pirate ships just to walk the plank.
Whoa, that's how cool he
Right.
is.
And so the Band-Aid is because he's got the big scar from walking the plank.
This guy, he has pants. I know, pretty unrealistic.
Well, dude, I think I am done with mine. Are you done with yours?
No.
How much more do you have to do on yours?
Well, I messed that up. That's not there.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to like this? Bring it up.
So I'm going to add a little more details then, since Logan's still working on his. Nice. So you all wrapped up too?
Hold up. He is a sad monster. Because this guy.
I'm going to add a little friend in the corner back here for this guy.
This guy's name is Chicken Nugget Sandy.
All right. All right, man. I think that we are wrapping this one up here, guys. The last thing we got to do, Logan's got to make sure that we sign our names to it.
Jeez.
Right? Sign your name to your drawing, dude. And this is, what's the year again?
Time for you to get a watch.
Oh, that's really funny.
It's
2018.
In order.
So yeah, so I mean, you can see here that like what's nice about this, if you look at both of them side by side, is that I have my version of monster. Logan has his version of monster. Logan has his sense of humor, and he brought his creativity to the table and made something that's fun and uniquely to Logan. And I personally think that that's very cool.
Yeah.
Do you think that's cool too?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, what do you think? So if you were to draw a monster, Logan, and you were going to be a certain type of monster, what kind of monster do you think you would be?
I would be a chicken nugget monster.
A chicken nugget monster? Right on.
Yes.
Awesome. So, yeah, guys, a lot of times it's about being creative, just showing up and having fun, right? There's no real answer, right or wrong, right?
Right.
Even though we are asking you to vote in the comments of whose drawing that you like better, dads, it's really important that you just practice every day, that you just show up, and if you're wanting to draw, you just show up to get better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's cool to embrace your uniqueness, the things that are special about you, right?
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you would like to add to this massive monster draw-off?
Don't eat any other people's food. Don't like it.
Don't eat other people's food. That's it. So until we see you next time, be the weird
you want to see in the world.
We did it. Yes.
Yes.
Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now, with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!